How to change the notification sound of an app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, scroll down, and in the notification style, open up an app that you would like to change. And then we scroll down and tap on Sounds. In the list of sounds, select a sound that you would like to use. Okay, so select a sound and then tap on the back key. And that's it. So we have now changed the sound, the notification sound for FaceTime. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.